Yes, welcome students to the chemistry class. Right. So today also we are discussing about what mole concept, but this is somewhat different. It is what which is on the board now, mole concept in chemical reactions. Right. You need to memorize the three formulas. There were number of moles when mass is given. Mass divided by gram molecular mass. Number of moles when volume is given, volume divided by gram molar volume. You have to memorize this formula also. Number of atoms or number of particles or number of ions or number of molecules. Generally what I am writing here, number of entities given by entities given upon Avogadro number, students, you know this is what, this much number. Gram molar volume is nothing but what, 22.4 liters, students. By using these formulas we can easily find whatever the problem they may ask. Suppose they are asking like this, find moles of H2SO4 in 49 grams. That means what they are giving, mass of H2SO4 they are giving, and what they are asking, moles of H2SO4. Yes, we have to use this formula. Number of moles of H2SO4 is equal to mass of H2SO4 divided by molecular mass, otherwise gram molecular mass of H2SO4. That's it. So mass what they are giving, 49 grams, divided by gram molecular mass of H2SO4. How we can find? Yes, just see here, hydrogen atomic mass is 1. In H2SO4 molecule there are 2 hydrogens are there, so now it is 2. Sulfur atomic mass is 32. In H2SO4 molecule only one sulfur atom is there, again it is 32. Atomic mass of oxygen is what, 16, whereas in H2SO4 molecule there are how many? Yes, there are how many oxygens are there? 4 oxygens are there. Here you have to take 64. Then you have to add all these things. That is what, 2 plus 32 plus 64, finally you will get what, 98 grams. So divided by 98, you will get what, half mole, or it is also equal to 0.5 mole, students. That's it. You getting? Understanding? Right, of course. It is very easy. Just mass by gram molecular mass of the given substance. Right? Find volume of 2 mole of NO gas. That's it. Now volume related formula you have to use. So number of moles is equal to volume divided by gram molar volume. So number of moles of NO gas is equal to volume of NO gas divided by gram molar volume. So number of moles of NO gas, yes, in the problem they are giving what, 2, and volume of NO gas we have to find out. Volume of NO gas we have to find out, divided by gram molar volume is 22.4 liters at STP. Yes, volume of NO gas is equal to, yes, now you take volume of NO gas is equal to, yes, according to the given conditions, according to the given data, 2 into 22.4 liters. So your answer is what? Your answer is what? 44.8 liters, students. Yes, you got it? That is the answer for this particular problem. Find volume of 2 mole of NO gas. Yes, 1 mole occupies 22.4 liters, 2 moles occupies 44.8 liters. That's it. Right. Next, find out. Yes, students, the third problem, what I am going to give you, that is what? Find out number of atoms in 1 mole of CaCO3 calcium carbonate. So they are asking what number of atoms, students, right? And we know that is what? Here we are having the molecule calcium carbonate. Number of atoms, first of all you have to calculate number of atoms in 1 molecule of CaCO3 is equal to 1 calcium is there, 1 carbon is there, 3 oxygens are there. So 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5 atoms are present. 5 atoms. Just keep this in your mind. In 1 molecule there are 5 atoms. Yes, keep this in your mind, students. Then we have to calculate number of moles. No need to calculate, they are giving 1 mole of CaCO3, right? They are giving what? 1 mole of CaCO3. That means we know that 1 mole in the sense 1 mole CaCO3 molecules. Otherwise 1 mole CaCO3 contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Students, right? This much of molecules are present in 1 mole of CaCO3, but what they are asking, number of atoms. So number of atoms, now I am writing here number of atoms in 1 mole CaCO3 is equal to, yes, Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. They are molecules, but they are atoms. They are asking what? Atoms, right? So each atom is with 5, each molecule is with 5 atoms. So number of atoms you have to get means you have to multiply this Avogadro number with number of atoms in a molecule. This is your answer. This is your answer, right? So this is what the third question, right? They are giving directly 1 mole of CaCO3. They are asking what number of atoms present in it. So in any 1 mole of the substance, this much of molecules will be there. Here this is a molecule, right? 1 mole of CaCO3 means I've got a number of CaCO3 molecules are there. But each molecule has 5 atoms. So number of atoms in 1 mole of CaCO3 is equal to, these are the number of molecules and each one is with 5 atoms. So multiplied with 5, you will get what? Number of atoms in 1 mole of CaCO3. Suppose they are asking what? Number of atoms in 200 grams of CaCO3. 200 grams of CaCO3, right? Here there is not, they are not giving number of moles. First of all, you have to find out number of moles. They are giving mass. In this case, they are giving mass. So number of moles of CaCO3. So you have to use mass formula, mass by gram molar mass. Mass is 200 and gram molar mass of calcium carbonate. Calcium atomic mass is 40. In this formula only 1 calcium is there. Carbon atomic mass is 12. In this formula we are having only 1 carbon. Oxygen atomic weight is what? 16. Here we are having 3 oxygens into 3, that is what? 40 plus 12 plus 48. This is nothing but 100 grams. So gram molecular mass of CaCO3 is nothing but 100. It is nothing but 2 moles. 2 moles. Right? 2 moles of Yes, 2 moles of calcium carbonate they are giving in the problem. 200 grams means 2 moles. Right, students? Now, the same thing we have to use. The same process we have to use. So, each molecule of CaCO3 contains, yes, each molecule of CaCO3 contains 5 atoms. 5 atoms, right? This you have to keep in your mind. Each molecule of CaCO3 contains 5 atoms. 2 moles of CaCO3 contains 2 moles of CaCO3 contains 2 into Avogadro number of molecules. 2 into Avogadro number of molecules. You know this or not? 1 mole contains Avogadro number of molecules. 2 moles contain 2 into Avogadro number of molecules, right? Now, number of atoms present in, yes, 2 mole of CaCO3. 2 mole of CaCO3 is equal to, these are number of molecules, 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. And each molecule has 5 atoms. That is nothing but what, students? So 10 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. This is your answer. This much of atoms are present in 200 grams of calcium carbonate. You are getting my point, everyone? Easiest and easiest. Okay. These are the uses of these 3 formulas. Okay, right? Right, Nana? Yes, I will send you another small video after this. So, somewhat difficult problems are going to be discussed in that particular video. Just note it down, all these formulas and the problems regarding these 3 formulas. Thank you very much.